Chigwell Window Centre is currently replacing the windows and doors in 84 flats directly opposite one of the iconic sports grounds in the UK. The apartments are called Lord's View, which might give you a clue to which sporting venue I'm talking about. Yes, Lord's Cricket Ground. And what a view! As you can see, the original windows and doors are in much need of replacing, and our team have been on site now since March, painstakingly replacing them with the very latest thermally efficient aluminium alternatives. The transformation will be huge, and as well as replacing all the existing doors and windows, we are also supplying and fitting all the new windows and doors for the new penthouse apartments which are currently being constructed. This refurbishment project is truly exceptional, and Chigwell Window Centre is proud to have been chosen to be a major part of it.